Hello and welcome. My name is Zulfiya Forsythe and I'm a CEO and founder of Omadli Group, data analytics, machine learning, and AI solutions company. Today I would like to showcase our expertise in data analytics and present you with this dashboard. This dashboard has been built utilizing Power BI and open source data. So let's have a look. What I have here is Annual Clinic Performance Dashboard. So we have 4 clinics that we evaluating performance on their operations, on their treatments, and their customer satisfaction. So let's take a look. What we have here is the total pet visits as well as total treatment revenue. And I would just wanted to point out, and again, this dashboard is very simple dashboard and only has been built for presentation purposes. But when we build the actual solutions for our vet clinic clients, we make sure that we incorporate their branding colors, their logo, as well as any additional KPIs that are unique for their business model. But let's get back to it. So what we have here is total pet visits by weekday, by week type. That helps us to evaluate the demand of the visits that we have during the weekday or weekend, as well as who's visiting our clinic and what type of health treatments that our pets are coming with the most. And then we have the treatment revenue by month. We have the clinics that's showing us with the highest revenue. We have Animal Medical, for example, with the highest revenue in April. But then we have a drop here in June. Then we can see that it's back up in August and September compared to the other clinics. So we can also, because this dashboard is interactive, we can also click on one of the points of dashboard and kind of shows us what really is making up that number. So that's pretty cool. That's just one of the interactive features of Power BI. And then if we just double click, and now it resets the filters on the dashboard. So if we take a look at one of the clinics, let's take a look at that clinic actually. We can see the total pet visits that we have in that clinic. We have also what type of health treatments that pets are coming with, when are they coming with, they coming during the weekday versus weekend, as well as do we have any pets with show, no show, and what is overall customer satisfaction. These are very important metrics because they help to evaluate what type of treatments that are needed the most in that clinic, and do we have enough of staff professional to take care of the pets, as well as do we have that availability during the times that we need the most. So it's scheduling, it's making sure that we have adequate staff in the clinics, and then as well as we can take a look at the treatments that we have here. We see that we have our treatments at trending high in April versus, for example, and then we have significant drop in June. So we really want to know what really happened there, what drove this increase, as well as what caused this drop, for example. And these dashboard helps us to kind of drill through that and allows us to see the revenue details. That takes us here and we can see, okay, how many pets came in that month, as well as how much revenue that they generate and what was their service satisfaction rating, and we can take that information and investigate further why the service satisfaction was lower. For example, here we have 1, 2, 3, what really happened there, so we can take a look at those cases and investigate further these satisfaction ratings. So let's go back. All right, so then we have our treatment cost by pet. So we can see what is the cost around for each different type of a pet, as well as what is our customer satisfaction. So customer satisfaction is kind of low, it's 7. So how can we increase our customer satisfaction to be closer to 10? What kind of strategies can we implement? And that ultimately will also impact our revenues, right? So the more satisfied our customers are, they're going to go tell a good story about us to all their friends, and that will ultimately boost our revenues. So these type of dashboards, this is just a simple representation, but when we build our custom solutions for our clients, we take the data across many platforms that they use for their business, any applications or system that they might use, and then evaluate and present it in one dashboard to help them to see the story of how their operations are doing, what are the opportunities to increase their customer satisfaction, to make sure that there's enough staff to meet that weekday or weekend demand based on the treatment that's requested the most, that ultimately increases efficiency, reduces the cost, and boosts their profitability. So, if you're ready to empower your vet clinics with data analytics, let's connect. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to empowering your business with data analytics.